all the Christmas stuff that I have to take down. Hopefully the camera don't fall, 'cause I'm gonna be all up in my feelings.
Hello?
Gavin.
He's okay.
He's okay? Now, 3 of them. I think I'm gonna grab 2 more. So this is my energy drink.
Oh, so you got shoe on banana.
It's from Stanford. Okay, could you scoot back? Intensive Law and Trial, a collaboration with Stanford Law School. The holiday sprinkles, because the kids and I are going to like do a gingerbread house. Coconut pieces. Did she turn the water off? So I told Harmony to turn the water off. I don't know if she turned it off, but I'm just gonna make sure get all the water out. Don't get all the filter. So basically I'm gonna drain all the water out. Make sure, basically I'm draining all the water out. Make sure it's drained out. It was something you have to align right to make sure it's on high to turn water on its own. I'm gonna turn it back off so when we took it off, it was on off. It's not off. And then this part I think come out. Take that silver finger off around it, or yeah, I already did. Okay. So this one got this. When they were slightly different, but everywhere I went, it was like this. Should and I hope it did not leak water because if this does not work, that thing is this. What's the next thing after this? I don't know either. This was hard when I took it off. I'm just gonna tighten this up slightly. Try this one more time, the drip. Make sure it's getting hot. It's hot. The water getting hot. The water's on cold. We just need you to stop when you're supposed to stop. You're trying to stop dripping now. I think it's okay.
You have a good camera. Do I look good?
Yes, of course. Okay, so
This is like a chocolate chip, 2 different kinds of chocolate chip cookies and some pecan. Yeah. Or pecan.
oh, it's so soft.
Yeah, it's soft.
They're
You
really
like
good.
it? Oh, okay. I'm happy.
Why she only bring me 3? I need more.
recipes, whatever you want, and save them and then go back to them. So this is the first time I tried this recipe. Before I always like do the oatmeal.
Oh Lord.
Anything at the moment?
Thank you. Okay, open the door.
Let me arrange this.
Okay.
Arrange this. Let me take out this one.
Okay.
And let me take out this.
See, we be thinking alike. See? Got it. Oh, let me get out the shadow.
I just like to take a picture. I want that like.
Turn this on. You better not cry. You better not cry.
No, funny shit. I can't. I can't.
Mila in here at Melinda Smith College. I'm gonna let my window. You ready, Samila? Samila, wait. You don't want to say hi to the people? No. Wow. Okay, so we're about to go in. Oh shoot. Could you lock the door? Let's see. Oh shoot. Be about that life. There go the bag you want, Samila.
Huh?
The bag. She got one of them tote bags.
Hello.
Hello. So the Christmas stuff is already out.
I want to go to the clothes.
You can go to the clothes.
Here, hold it. Oh.
I was looking at these, but
Excuse me, ma'am. You're in the way. Your leg's in the way. You cannot put your leg in a
girl, I really thought you was a customer saying that.
No, that's why I
That is cute. Is that how? Oh, it's finally going up. It's gonna take its time though. I thought these were so cute. These deers, but they're 24 a piece. That's pretty good for the price. And I'm looking at this. Oh, that's cute. Silver. That clock is so cute. Okay. Okay. It's for the winter. Just like an undershirt or just a shirt. Got this for Harmony because she wanted mine. Mine's is white. This is real cute. Material. Okay. Maybe hard to wash. You may have to put that on cold settings. Okay.
So today, we are trying to take them on Mama's hair.
Yes. This is how much I got too.
All this.
He want me to show y'all all the hair. And wants to help me finish up. Right? Okay. You don't have nothing to do. You can watch this movie with us.
I'm watching it and doing it.
You watching it and doing it. So we're watching a movie too. The movie is so good.
Yeah.
What's this movie called, Somali? Extinction. And it's on Netflix.
Yeah. Y'all should get it on my
They should get it. Okay.
But it's already
It's already on Netflix.
What?
I don't know.
That way they should go dip them many times with wash.
Oh, so another bomb went off. It's like really good. Okay, I just want to show you all how far I got on my hair. And I ended up taking my lashes off. And we about to get ready to finish this movie. And then after I wash it, look how I gave it.
Young girl going.
I gotta do this. There's stuff in your hair.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm gonna wash my hair.
Let her go. Let her go.
Let who go?
Lucy, the baby.
When you have to convince your kids to come on, that means you're a bad parent. The moment I say come on, I mean come on. It ain't no me convincing you to come on because it's gonna be safe. Do you get what I'm saying?
Oh, you're recording.
Yes, but is that making sense? The moment I say come on, it's come on. It's no,
But
yeah, no but. It's like when I say come on.
it's not. But come on. Just come on.
You took it out? You took it out? Really? Shut up, camera. You helped Mommy take down her hair? Good job.
That was easy.
That was easy?
Now most of your hair.
Yeah. Okay, we got one more piece, Gavin. Which piece you taking down? That one?
This one.
Okay. You like helping me? That means you can take down your own hair when I be braiding it. Okay. So we're almost finished.
I'm gonna take it from the top, and then everything just get off. That's easy. Stop moving your hair.
Stop moving my hair. When I be trying to do your hair, what you be doing? Ow! It hurt. How long you gonna take? Yeah, I had all that hair in my head. Oh! It sounded like you broke my real hair, boy. Yeah. Yeah, I pulled it. But Gavin, you pulled my real hair. He just took it. Gavin just took my real hair. No, that's Mommy real hair. You focus on this part.
Oh!
Yes. Lord, this boy took breaking my real hair. Like,
Stay there.
I would just say shut up
you was just say shut up.
and keep on watching. But when the one behind them, then I would just let him down.
Okay, Gavin.
Not up here.
You don't care. Would you leave me, Gavin? Oh. Yeah, I'm about to come. You're welcome. I love you. I love you more. I love you more, Gavin. I love you forever. I love you forever. I love you always. I love you always. Okay. Samila and I. Okay, we're about to try this again. We're at Philander Smith College again for the second day. So this is my energy drink.
Oh, so you got shoe on, but not me.
Okay, so drink this. See it now. So I'm gonna take a peek because where I'm at, I'm not gonna be able to see this. I'm gonna take a peek since I'm not gonna be able to be in this portion.
Yeah, why? Because we're not going to need you over there until this is over.
Okay.
So that's going to be out in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a go. Hey, I got that. I got it. Hello. What? Pretty good. What happened to all the gentlemen?
Oh, so we just let them go. They were getting text messages from the significant other.
Oh, I see. They know how to rest. They know what they wait till the baby comes.
I know that's right. That's what I told them. I said we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it happen.
Are you from Arkansas?
I'm from Dallas. I'm
Dallas.
from Indiana, but I'm in Dallas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, this is incredible. And I'm just volunteering. So I just only get a little sneak peek.
But you've been really helpful. Just kind of get people what they
Yes. Hey, I'm gonna travel with y'all. I'm gonna try to figure out what day I can come.
Have you tapped in with
Okay, Samila. And then her official letter.
Oh.
Your official letter, Samila.
read it?
Yes. Of course.
Okay. Dear Samila, on behalf of Stanford Law School and Envisions by World Strides School students,
Intense
this
law.
10-day program is ideal for students who are interested in law. You will have unique opportunities to learn from subject matter experts and permanent law professionals. We'll present a dynamic curriculum that will give you critical insights into the legal profession and a taste of the study. It will also help you to hone your leadership abilities to be more effective in college, career, and life.
So are you excited? Those are the days. So it's a day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way up to day 7.
I want to see what happens on the last day.
Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Living Life as Gabriella. So today,
Almost 7 p.m.
what did she do about that? So today I'm about to, I got the TV on. I'm gonna warm up some Popeyes. They're sweet heat chicken. I think that's what it's called. Let me grab this remote. Turn down this TV. Okay, so I'm watching the YouTuber. Her name is Gina, and I'm watching her on my TV. Okay, I just turned it out. So anyway, I'm about to warm up this leftover so I can save some money while I'm out, and I won't be hungry. So, yeah. I have some errands that I'm about to run this morning before the kids make it home. Well, I should already have this on. Okay, because Samila will have stuff. Samila will have stuff in that oven while you have it on. So, what do y'all think about me not playing music in my content? What are y'all thoughts? That means that I'm gonna have to do a lot of talking. And when I first started YouTube, I was listening to a lot of individuals' opinions about how to start my YouTube. So that's the reason why my YouTube was all over the place. I have had people tell me they didn't like the way I speak, that I shouldn't talk, that I should play music. So my YouTube was full of people's opinion. Oh, I'm just gonna be myself, and hopefully you stay. If you go, I understand. You just have to go. Other than that, I'm still trying to find myself with this YouTube thing. Okay, so now I'm just getting a sauce and adding it to the chicken. And I noticed that they forgot to give me my ranch. Ranch come with this. Okay. So here it is, my little pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 of these. It's wet at the bottom. I don't understand why the bottom of it's wet. Don't wipe it off. Stick it in the butter. Okay. Y'all, I don't know how to work the oven. I'm just kidding. I thought the oven was on, but no, it went back off. It could have been preheating or something. My bad. I'm right beside the sink. But anyway, I'm on my way out to run some errands, and I want to show y'all what I got last night. So this is for. So Gavin and Gabe play football. And I'm sure y'all seen that already on some of the footage. My boys playing ball. They playing flag football. Next year we're going to introduce them to tackle. So yeah, so far they are good at playing the flag. They got the footwork. You know, they moving. They going up and down that field pretty easy. So adding tackle into the mix, I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm gonna be that mama. Get off my son, okay? So anyway, so this is Gavin's picture, and I purposely ordered them the banner size because I knew that I wanted to hang it in their room. And if you didn't know, I always visualize things before I get them. I visualize how I want things. And so when I was taking a picture and I seen that there was an option, the banner one, I said, oh, could you do it in black and white? And could you do the words could you do the wording just like this portion? So I'm like, okay, cool. So this is Gavin's. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna see if I can hold it up for you. So this is Gavin's. But it looks so good. I don't know if it's really giving justice. Let me see if I can put it down here and then just grab it for y'all. But it is so nice. So I already have Gabe's up in his room. And let me see if I can grab this. Oh, sorry if y'all shaking. Okay. So, my bad. This one is Gavin's. Like that. Gavin. Y'all should hear how he say his last name. He said Gavin Jones. What's your name? Gavin Jones. What's your name? Gavin Jones. Gavin Jones. Okay. But anyway, that's Gavin's. So I'm just gonna roll it back up. When I unrolled this, their dad seen it and he was like, he wanted one like, he was so sad that he was like, I want one like that. I was just speechless. I was thinking to myself, where you gonna put it?
But I be trying my best not to be mean. But I was thinking to myself, you want one like this? Yeah, I want one of the boys. I said, well, do you want Gabe's? He said, well, if you're gonna put it up in a room, then both of them should be there. But I want one. I'm like, oh Lord, everybody can't be like Gabriella. A picture, and I'm excited. I'm very pleased with it. Honestly, I was regretting. I'm gonna put y'all back up here. Honestly, I was regretting buying it because I wanted more in a Canva. But now that it's like that, I love it because when they grow up, they can take it with them, you know, or else just let mommy keep it and I keep it in their room. I keep it in their room. But while my food is cooking, I want to try this drink. Samala and I got this from our local Dollar Tree. And it's like coconut water. And I used to drink coconut water all the time when I was pregnant with, I think, Gabe, because it was helping with my nausea. So now I'm going to try it now. So let me grab a spoon. So let me grab a straw. I forgot what this thing was called, a straw. I need a straw. And it's already cold. I'm gonna grab this, see how do I like this. Lord have mercy. It'll take a minute to get used to, but I think they deceived us when they let us taste coconut and alcohol and all of that, the other beverages. I think they deceived us when they let us taste coconut and other beverage because it's different, but when you actually taste like the coconut water, it's unique. Okay, it's just unique. Will I buy it again? Yes, I will buy it again. I don't know, is it because I got the coconut pieces in here? So I'm chewing those. Okay, so this is Gabe's picture. Gabe was the Chiefs and Gavin was the Eagles. The reason why I did the boys' photo in black and white is because I wanted their picture to go with the flow of their room. And let's say 2 or 3 years from now, I change up the pattern scheme of their room, then of course that black and white will always go, right? So that's the reason why I did it in black and white, because I did not want, honestly, I don't like a lot of colors. I get so annoyed with like a lot of colors. Like even for Christmas, I can only have Christmas decor up for so long. At January the 1st, really, December the 25th, I'd be ready to snatch that Christmas stuff down. Like I'd be so quick to just be ready to snatch it down. But I will let it make it to like, let me check on my food. Baby. Girl. Let's get our food up out this oven. Oh, it's hot. Oh, I'm gonna drop that. We're just gonna sit that there. Grab this. I don't be knowing where things are. Cause Samala be always moving. Samala be always moving stuff around, and I feel like, shoot, I be lost. Simply lost. So I'm eating these wings for breakfast.
Oh, shoot. Yes. I'm glad the kids not here, so I won't have to share, because if they was here, I'll probably only be having 2 or 1. Because when the boys come, I want one, I want one. I'm going to eat these here, and then I'm going to get on the road. But I'm going to tell y'all what I'm going to take back. So this is from last night. Last night, Gavin played a game last night, and it was like extremely cold. When I say cold, cold. So I got like 3 appeals outfits. So I got Gabe this that I'm taking back. So this is black. This was gonna go under his uniform. I'm taking that back. And I got these 2. I really want to keep these. I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping these. So he can wear them under his pants. But let me tell you how much this stuff was. And then he had another pair of pants. His daddy put them on him at the game. This stuff was $48. Just for 3 items. And like he need those. Let me see. Are they worth? Let me see. These right here, $16. What y'all think? Should we keep them? Should we keep these? Because, you know, I can go to Burlington's. I him 2 sleepwears. I'm still on $48. You know what I could do? And I bought him a coat too. His jacket was $44 because it's winter now. And that's like $100. I had to buy Gabe a coat. I had to buy Harmony a coat. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying how I spent like, I want to say $300 in 2 days. Now y'all see why I'm like $48 for that. I'm at home, so I can lick my fingers, okay? I do not eat chicken to the bone. But Popeye chicken I do. No. I watch YouTube a lot. Now Mackenzie coming on.
Now, this explains why I'm always late to like everything. I'm still here eating this chicken. Like, girl, when are you going to be done eating the chicken? But okay.
I have to get ready to go to Target because I just spent too much money. I spent too much money in 2 days. That's just too much money for me. And then he got the other black pants that he can wear. So I was already thinking about, I wanted to show y'all, y'all see the little things? That's the coconut. Y'all see the little coconut pieces? You see the little coconut pieces? Right there. Okay.
Okay, it's time to take this stuff back.
They are so cute. Trying to see. Refrigerator. The boys. No. Do these light up? Ooh, these light up. I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. Get these for the room. These are super cute. So I figured out how to do this, and basically you just take this out. Let me see if I can do it again. That is so neat for the boys' room in their window. That is so neat. I like this. So I just need to read up on it. This is so neat. Right on the window. I think this is so neat. Okay, now I gotta put the paper in there. What I like about it, this is where the paper fell. What I like about it is that when you put the paper inside, it stops. Let's see. Gotta figure out. Yeah, once I put the paper in, it stops. See, that is cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. So I have 3 of them. I think I'm gonna grab 2 more. Okay, so I made it to the Christmas owl here in Target. I really have my eyes on these, but I'm unsure. And these are $10. And these are $10. I think I'm gonna Google them because I was hoping to place my own candle in there, but how it's set up, I won't be able to do that. But anyway, last year, you remember I showed you all this countdown to Christmas, 99 days sleep till Christmas. So this is at the price of $25. Okay. I got some in the oven. Okay, so I'm back from the store. The kids all made it home. And how much did I tell y'all I spent before? Okay. So I end up taking, where y'all going, boys?
Outside to catch. And practice running and stuff like that. Yeah. Because I didn't run more faster.
Okay, so I end up taking Gavin's stuff back to Target just to spend $49 again. So I want to show you all what I got, and this is for the kids. Samila, come here. So I got this game. It was on clearance. Oh. Okay, so it was on clearance, and I got this game. Grab your phone. I wanted to know what's the original prices. So I got this game, and the girl was so cool at Target. She blessed me. Baby, she blessed me. This was on clearance, but when I looked at my receipt, it was only $10. But on the clearance, I could not see the price. But I do know for sure this is something. Okay, hook me up. Hook me up. Okay, so this game, could you see it out there? Okay, I got this game for the kids to play too around Christmas. And how much is it? The original price?
$15 through $25.
No, wait. This one. Okay, so the original price for this one is $15 to $25 in between, and I only paid $10 because the girl just hooked me up because she just liked me. I just came in online and she was like, just hook me up. Anyway, it may not happen for you, so don't just go to Target trying to get the hookup. But anyway, so this game did not have a price on there. Like, it was not ringing up anything. So she was like, how much would you pay for this? I said, I don't know, but if it's too much, I'm not paying for it. She said, do it look like you'll pay $10? I said, yep. She said, okay, it's $10. So what is the original price you would find this game for, somebody?
Online it said 46, but it was marked off from originally 60.
$60? $60?
So really 47.
47, okay. So, you know, I showed y'all in the store that I was getting these for the boys. This one not doing it. Let me see some. Okay. So you remember I told y'all I was getting these for the boys' room? I end up getting 5 of these. I think, yeah. And they're $3. $3. I end up getting 5 of these. And I am that mom, like, I love decorating for the kids for like Christmas and stuff like that. Yes, like I'm that mom. But anyway, so I'm trying to turn it off. Okay, I turned that off. So I end up getting 5 of those to put in their window. And then I got this from Target, and I'm gonna put these in their window too, because I'm that mom. Like, I don't know why, I'm just that person. And then I also got this at the dollar section at Target, and the smell of it is First Snowfall. It smells so good. So I really bought this for the kitchen, and I think I'm gonna have it somewhere over there for like when we. Okay, so the camera keep dying on me. Okay, so this is the last thing that I bought at Target, and these are the holiday sprinkles because the kids and I are going to like do a gingerbread house contest. Samila, come here. Okay, so come. Okay, so when we do the teams, who do you think should be on which team?
You with the boys, me and Harmony.
Really? Thought they weren't coming in.
They are.
Do you want to build a gingerbread house with mommy?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to build a gingerbread house with me, with mommy? Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's gonna be us against the girls. We're gonna see who can build the best gingerbread house.
I don't know how to build one.
That's why you have Mama.
You're gonna be on my team.
That's why me and Harmony together, because we know, and y'all on the team with Mama. Creative with creative. Harmony
Right?
by me.
Yay!
Are you excited? Okay, so
I'm gonna eat it.
we're preparing
Look.
for Christmas. I'm trying to get little things
Those aren't
little by
browns.
little.
Huh? Thank you, Mama. Fake.
You welcome.
What is
So
that?
I just need to just stop shopping. I don't know what I'm
Mama, what
gonna
is
do.
that?
Chicken. For the chicken?
Mama,
Yeah.
421.
Okay, so all right, that's it for this vlog, and it's awesome, Gabby. Let me see. It say number 1. Gabby, smile. Gabby, smile. All right, go take a picture. That's awesome. Catch, catch. Woo! Woo! Yes, he caught it. Get it, get him. Woo! Let me see. It's okay. At least you played. Woo! Oh, I'm too thick for this. But I thought God would have sent me a husband by now. But I'm still up in this attic. I get tired of year after year going in this attic. I be wanting to send a man. Shoot. Lord. I be wanting to send a man. I be wanting to send a man up here in this attic. So basically what I'm finna do with this man, all of that stuff down. Whew, we can use this for Christmas. And that's it for the attic. Oh geez, that's it for the attic, okay? Come on, let's... Y'all see? Attic life. This is the attic life. Hopefully I don't fall. That's my biggest fear, falling out this attic. Look like it's gonna stay. These are all the Christmas stuff that I have to take down. Hopefully the camera don't fall. I'm gonna be all up in my feelings if the camera falls. Excuse my beauty. Okay, so this is everything. This is the garage. Okay, and I just got out of the attic, okay? So, we gotta go through this stuff. Go through this stuff. And we gotta make it beautiful in the house.